think in terms of the UK, it follows a very similar pattern to Germany. Prime schemes remain the focus of many investors. Yields are coming in slightly, so prime shopping centre yields now in the UK have probably come in from 5.5 now to 5.25. And I think they've come in Germany by a similar amount, but at lower yields. I think the key element to the UK market that differs to a lot of the other European markets is if you look at the top 20 shopping centres within the UK, only 2 of them are held 100%. And so you're always going to be buying a 50% share, most likely, of that shopping centre, whereas in Germany, that statistic is more balanced. I think if you took the top 20 centres, it's probably about half. And then when you get into Poland, there are less joint ventures and more sole ownership. So I would say that's the main differentiator. Just to come back on the online piece, because it's something that I think everybody quite likes at the moment, and it's easy to read and easy to understand. And I think it's all too easy to read into the big sensationalized headlines that the media like to portray. Yes, there is an effect, but what is that effect truly? And I think that the main things I truly believe in is that if you only compete on price and price alone, so let's take the consumer electronics market, then yes, the internet is going to hurt you. The internet is going to dent your sales and create an issue where you're going to have to relook at your business plan. And I think many of the big consumer electronics retailers are doing so. But also, we've seen a huge suffering of those where media can be delivered either into your hand or into your home, be it DVD, be it books, they've also suffered. Outside of that, we do see a big future for retail. And CBRE undertook a survey last year where we interviewed 50 brands, which covered some 32,000 stores worldwide. And actually, some of the statistics that came out of that were quite surprising. For example, 2 out of 3 retailers will fulfill their online demand within a physical store that already exists. So the physical store has to continue to exist. 60% of retailers saw that they would increase their exposure to physical stores as a result of multi-channel. Again, more positive indicators from the digital environment into the physical. And I really do see it as complementary, not as in complete opposition.